today speaking on the side of the studios, saying the union's expectations are not realistic and could impact thousands.
There's huge support services. I can go on and on. It will affect the economy of different regions even, because there's the sheer size of the business. It's a shame. It is really a shame.
David, the strike officially begins at midnight, and it not only prohibits actors from working, but also from promoting their films at festivals and premieres. And just to give you a sense of how rare it is for both the Actors and Writers Guilds to strike simultaneously, that last happened in 1960, and the president of the Actors Guild was Ronald Reagan. David, that puts it in perspective. 60 years ago, back up tonight. Thank you, Matt. Now to former President Trump and the special counsel's investigation into January 6th. Tonight, sources telling ABC News that Donald Trump's son-in-law, Jared Kushner, has testified before the grand jury. And we have new reporting here on the line of questioning for Kushner. Let's get right to our chief Washington correspondent, Jonathan Karl, tonight. And John, what have you learned?
David, the special counsel is specifically trying to establish whether Trump knew that he had lost the election and therefore knowingly committed illegal acts to try to overturn an election that he knew he lost. Now, coming before the grand jury recently include not just Jared Kushner, but other top aides, including Hope Hicks and Johnny McEntee, the young aide that was seen as Trump's loyal enforcer in the White House. We don't know what these aides have told the special counsel, but I can tell you this. Several people close to Trump told me at the time that he knew full well that Biden had won. As one Trump confidant told me about a week after the election, quote, "He's a man who knows he lost. It's hard on him." Of course, Trump has never, not once, publicly acknowledged that he lost that election.
David, John Clark, new reporting from Washington tonight. John, thank you as always. Overseas tonight, President Biden in Finland with strong words for Vladimir Putin, saying Putin has already lost the war in Ukraine. And what President Biden said about the Wall Street Journal reporter Evan Gershkovich, the president willing to swap a prisoner for that young reporter's release. James Longman from inside Ukraine tonight.
Ukrainian officials claim they shot down 20 drones fired by Russia overnight, off towards the capital Kyiv. Falling wreckage, destroying homes and injuring several people. The attack, Russia's answer to the public promises from President Biden and NATO allies that Ukraine will join the alliance, although there's no timeline yet. In Helsinki today, Biden insisted Russian President Putin cannot afford to fight forever.
There is no possibility of him winning the war in Ukraine. He's already lost that war.
Adding Putin may eventually realize it's not in Russia's interest to continue the fight.
My hope is, and my expectation is, you'll see that Ukraine makes significant progress on their offensive, and that it generates a negotiated settlement somewhere along the line.
But Ukraine's counteroffensive has only made modest gains in a month of heavy fighting. For 500 days, Chasiv has been on the eastern front line. The mayor explaining what the fight means for his town. When they push the Russians further away, he says, they'll not be able to reach us. Just then, our translator cut off by the sound.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
These are good sounds. The mayor responds, yes.
So let's bring in James Longman with us again tonight from inside Ukraine. James, President Biden with another message for Russia. This made news today. The president addressing efforts to get Wall Street Journal reporter Evan Gershkovich released from a Russian prison. President Biden willing to swap a prisoner, he said?
Yeah, David, President Biden said today he's serious about pursuing a prisoner swap for Evan Gershkovich. He's been in Russian custody for more than 100 days now. His parents told ABC News this week that the president told them he'd do whatever it takes to bring Evan home. David.
James Longman in Ukraine for us again tonight. Thanks, James. Back here in the U.S. and the case making national headlines, the New York City attorney accused of being a serial rapist in Boston has pleaded not guilty tonight to several new charges. How many new cases? Here's ABC's Ariel Resheff.
Matthew Nilo, the New York attorney accused of being a serial rapist in Boston, tonight is once again free on bail, despite facing new charges of sexually assaulting 4 more women.
How do you think of those offenses, guilty or not guilty?
One of Nilo's accusers, Lori Pinkham, just steps away from the man she says attacked her in 2007.
It was actually pretty, shocking. I'm angry.
cells in the State Street area.
And now we're learning from a police report that Nilo was arrested in the same neighborhood of the attacks in July of 2008 for marijuana possession. The district attorney telling ABC News Nilo was questioned back then about a sexual assault in the area. According to prosecutors, Nilo went on to attack 2 more women. As for Lori Pico, she plans to be in court every step of the way.
He's not going to get away with it. What would you say to the suspect, Matthew Nilo? That the city belongs to us, and we're not your victims or your prey.
And Nilo's attorney telling ABC News that it was Nilo's fiance who provided the $50,000 cash bail today. He is now required to wear a GPS monitor. He's allowed to return to his home in New Jersey, and he is set for trial next summer. David?
Your information found this against an aerial. Thank you. There is also news tonight in that hunt for murder suspects across state lines here in the Northeast. A new discovery after that suspect escaped from a Pennsylvania prison 1 week ago now. Michael Burrow slipped through a break in the fence on the roof, dropping down a rope made of bed sheets. Tonight, police are releasing this photo of what they call a stump pile found at a campsite in the woods near that prison, partially hidden under a log. They say it belonged to Burrow and are asking the public to look for clues just like it. Tonight, the reward has been raised to $22,000. When we come back here tonight, the World Health Organization weighing in this evening on one of the key ingredients in Diet Coke and so many other soft drinks. Does aspartame pose a cancer risk, and what the FDA in this country is saying? And the famous player who collapsed on the field at the moment, he got to thank the team who saved his life. We'll see it.
It's time to recognize you sausage-loving genius. For without you, how would we know that Eckridge smoked sausage can be eaten thrice in one day, and that you can take your lunch break before noon? Here's to you, Eckridge smoked sausage. You do you.
As a parent, no 2 days are ever the same. At Care.com, you can find trusted and flexible sitters to help manage your family's ever-changing schedule. Care.com can even help you out with housekeepers, dog walkers, senior caregivers, and more, so you can find care for all you love. And 100% of caregivers who use Care.com have been background checked with CareCheck, a key first step in hiring confidently. To get the help you need to make it all work, sign up now and find a great sitter at Care.com.
Escape to pure happiness with Fiji Airways. Experience the warmth of Fijian hospitality from runway to runway. With flexible tiered fares, exquisite in-flight entertainment, and delicious food, happiness is truly about the journey. Fiji Airways' authentic cultural experiences will change your outlook on vacations. Visit FijiAirways.com. From here to happy, flying direct with Fiji Airways.
When picking a commerce platform, you have 2 choices.
Oh, you piece of...
Or, I prefer, don't you? That's the sound of selling on Shopify, the all-in-one commerce platform that supercharges your selling, online, in person, on social media, and beyond. Why battle inferior platforms' weak tools? Lack of brand control.
That looks like...
And limited integrations.
Would have helped to know this.
Stop leaving sales on the table. Join the millions of businesses around the world growing on Shopify and get the industry-leading tools from the best converting checkout to powerful order management features. Gain control with code-free site design and harness Shopify's limitless integrations for limitless growth. Shopify.
Less. More.
Sign up for a $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/free23. That's shopify.com/free23. Shopify.com/free23.
Tonight, the World Health Organization just out with a new report involving the popular artificial sweetener aspartame found in Diet Coke, other diet drinks, gum, and other products. Late today, the World Health Organization's International Agency for Cancer Research classifying aspartame as a possible carcinogen, but saying evidence is limited and more research is needed. After reviewing the data, the FDA in this country saying it disagrees, insisting FDA scientists do not have safety concerns. There is some concern that all of this data could confuse consumers, who of course will stay on it. Medical experts do agree on one thing, and that is more study is needed. That major change here in the U.S. in reproductive health care affecting millions of women in this country, the FDA approving Opill, the first over-the-counter birth control pill. It will likely be available in drugstores, convenience stores, online, without a doctor's prescription early next year. The The decision significantly expanding access to birth control for women of all ages and comes amid heated debate about the availability of contraception and abortion rights following the Supreme Court's ruling overturning Roe. When we come back here tonight, news this evening about a beloved broadcaster, Dick Vitale.
I'm Andrea, founder of a boutique handbag brand, Andy, and this is why I switched to Shopify. I tried 3 other platforms prior to Shopify, and I remember my breaking point was when I would try to make one little change and my entire site would go down. Shopify made it really easy for me to shift everything over and hit the ground running. I was able to migrate my products and all of my customer information over. Start your free trial with Shopify today.
Get a $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/special offer 23. Take your business to the next level today.
It's no secret that when someone stinks, it's all you remember about them.
Oh, is that you?
Oh no, not now.
Don't worry, I got you.
Try this.
And it's by Secret?
Yeah, Secret aluminum-free deodorant. It gets rid of those stinky PU pits instead of covering them up. Just wipe and you're fresh all day. Secret actually works, even aluminum-free.
Don't let be what people...
Dude, you have space, you dumb little Asian.
As a parent, no 2 days are ever the same. At Care.com, you can find trusted and flexible sitters to help manage your family's ever-changing schedule. Care.com can even help you out with housekeepers, dog walkers, senior caregivers, and more, so you can find care for all you love. And 100% of caregivers who use Care.com have been background checked with CareCheck, a key first step in hiring confidently. To get the help you need to make it all work, sign up now and find a great sitter at Care.com.
Tonight in the alligator attack in Naples, Florida. The victim was bit on the leg while walking near a golf course early this morning. The 7-foot alligator lunging at him. The victim was airlifted to the hospital. He is expected to survive. The alligator has been captured near a lake there. And beloved broadcaster Dick Vitale has revealed he's been diagnosed with cancer for a 3rd time now. ESPN's longtime college basketball announcer. He says he's now battling vocal cord cancer and will now undergo 6 weeks of radiation treatment. Vitale has also been treated for melanoma and lymphoma. He says he plans to be ready to call games when the season begins this fall. Of course, we are all rooting for him here. When we come back, the Buffalo Bills star, Damar Hamlin, who collapsed on the field, and the moment overnight he got to thank the team that saved his life. This is powerful.
Hi, it's Glenn Beck, and I don't have to tell you how crazy the world is right now. Inflation seems like it's going to be staying for a while. Hey, pitch a tent. How are you supposed to feel comfortable about your retirement at this point? Well, it can actually be pretty simple. It takes a call to Lyle Boss. He's the president of Boss Financial. 855-355-7233. Please, as I always advise you, do your own homework. Nothing but upside with Lyle Strategy. Call Lyle Boss now. 855-355-SAFE.
Why wait until November when Black Friday deals are going on now at Ashley? Because it's never too early to shop incredible deals for every room of your home. Shop doorbusters starting at just $2.99 and take advantage of low monthly payments with 60-month special financing. Visit your local Ashley store and experience Black Friday in July, only at Ashley. Subject to credit approval, no minimum purchase required, minimum monthly payment, down payment, tax, and delivery required. See store for details.
Right now at Wendy's, when you buy either a Dave's Single, Spicy Chicken Sandwich, Medium Frosty, or 10-piece nuggets, you can get another for just $1. Your dollar never tasted so good. So it's obvious what everyone will get, right?
Definitely nugs
Spicy
and
chicken
a frosty.
sandwich,
Dave's single and a frosty for
Frosty
me.
and a Frosty.
Okay, who said Frosty and a Frosty? Pick your obvious choice. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's, buy one, get one for $1.
Limited time only. Price of participation may vary. U.S. Wendy's valid for item of equal or lesser value. Cannot be combined in a combo or any other offer.
There's just something about classic soul music that gets you moving. And TuneIn's exclusive Soul Groove station has all the right moves. Hit play on the grooviest 70s selection. Get your masters in melody
Approaching a railroad crossing.
with Motown classics. or just set the right tone with smooth, soulful vibes from Marvin Gaye and more. It's all right here on TuneIn, ready to set the perfect 70s tone. Search Soul Groove or tell your device to play Soul Groove on TuneIn now to listen.
And a curveball smacked into left center field. As a sports fan, you know action. And TuneIn is here to bring you all the action. From non-stop live sports coverage from the biggest leagues.
Ovechkin with a steal. Chance here on the break-in. Kuznetsov fires. Scores!
To in-depth podcasts on what's going on with your favorite teams. And all the game-changing content in between. TuneIn is the playbook for sports fans.
This summer, GMA's popping up all across the country, spreading sunshine and summertime fun in the morning. It's GMA's Rise and Shine Summer Tour. Rise and shine!
Rise and shine!
So, could we be coming to your hometown?
More Americans choose ABC News, America's #1 news source.
Finally tonight here, football star Damar Hamlin and the team that saved his life. America Strong. It was the powerful, emotional moment at the ESPY Awards. Football star Damar Hamlin wiping away tears. The Buffalo Bills player presenting the service award to the medical team and athletic trainers who saved his life. Millions watching him going into cardiac arrest during a game.
Please welcome this year's recipient of the Pat Tillman Award for Service, the training staff of the Buffalo Bills.
The standing ovation last night as they walked out. Damar Hamlin overcome. The very team that saved his life, right there for him once again, hugging him. And then his team honoring him, praising his remarkable strength and recovery.
Damar, first and foremost, thank you for staying alive, brother. We were so honored to be standing up here next to such a strong, courageous human being.
Thank you for staying alive. That was the line of the night. Powerful. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
It's time to recognize you, you sausage-loving genius. For without you, how would we know that Eckrich smoked sausage can be eaten thrice in one day, and that you can take your lunch break before noon? Here's to you, Eckrich.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Smoked sausage. You do you.
Hi, it's Glenn Beck, and I don't have to tell you how crazy the world is right now. Inflation seems like it's going to be staying for a while. Hey, pitch a tent. How are you supposed to feel comfortable about your retirement at this point? Well, it can actually be pretty simple. It takes a call to Lyle Boss. He's the president of Boss Financial. 855-355-7233. Please, as I always advise you, do your own homework. Nothing but upside with Lyle Strategy. Call Lyle Boss now. 855-355-SAFE.
Do you have low water pressure in your kitchen or bathrooms? Hi, this is Pete from Repipe Specialists. Many people don't realize that these are all symptoms of corroded pipes. These issues will only get worse. Call Repipe Specialists. We've been seamlessly and expertly solving these problems for over 30 years. With our proprietary process, we'll repipe your entire home in just 1 to 2 days. Call us by Saturday at 844-737-4736 to save 20% on your entire job. Plus, you'll get 0% interest for a year of approved credit. That's 844-737-4736. Repipe.com.
Here are 3 reasons why Smart Water makes the #1 summer travel companion. It works with every car cup holder and pairs perfectly with gas station guilty pleasures. If you're making moves, we got you. Smart Water hasn't met a backpack it didn't fit right into. And if someone is trying to start an awkward convo on the plane, Smart Water can help you cut it off while you get your earbuds in. Like this. Sorry. I'm just way into hydration. Smart Water. Keep it smart.
There's a new beauty destination you need to check out. JCPenney Beauty now has more than 300 unique brands in store. Find your faves or discover something new, like Billie Eilish and Dolce & Gabbana fragrance, makeup from e.l.f. Cosmetics and RMS Beauty, plus Murad Skincare, Olaplex Hair Care, and more. Our experts are here to help you work the latest trends into any routine. And as always, shop 24/7 at jcp.com/beauty. Inclusive beauty for every way you glow. JCPenney.
You're listening to ABC News, America's #1 source for news. Now streaming here 24/7. At the top and bottom of the hour,
can't believe that motherfucker.